In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for beginners. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. Think of boards as the home base for each project, client, class, or personal plan you want to organize. Every board will hold your lists and cards, so starting in the boards area keeps everything easy to find and manage as your work grows. On the left-hand side of Trello, click the Boards option. This takes you to a clean view of your existing boards and gives you quick access to create something new. If you're brand new, this page may be mostly empty. That's perfect. We'll create your first board together right now. Look to the top of the page and click the Create button. This is where Trello lets you spin up new items. From the menu that appears, choose Create Board. If you prefer a head start with a pre-built layout, you can also choose Start with a template. Templates are great if you want a ready-made structure for things like content planning, sprints, or personal task tracking. They include suggested lists and example cards you can tweak. For now, select Create Board so you can understand the basics from scratch. In the board creation window, type a clear descriptive title. A good name makes your board easy to recognize at a glance. Try something action-oriented and specific, like Marketing Launch Q2, Home Renovation Plan, or Weekly Team Stand-Up. If you manage multiple boards, consider adding dates or team names to keep things consistent. Next, choose the visibility for your board. Private means only you can see it. Workspace Visible shares the board with everyone in your chosen workspace, which is ideal for teamwork and transparency. Public makes the board visible to anyone with the link on the web, which is useful for open source projects or public roadmaps, but be sure you're comfortable with that level of exposure before selecting it. You can change visibility later if your needs evolve, but it's best to set it thoughtfully now. When you're happy with the title and visibility, click Create. Trello will open your new board immediately. You'll see a blank canvas ready for lists and cards, which is where your tasks and ideas will live. From here, you can begin shaping the workflow that suits you best. As you explore, remember you can always rename the board, adjust visibility, or switch to a template later if you want a more guided structure. That's it. You've successfully created your first Trello board and you're ready to organize.